Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Master Dowser and author of this book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing. That was an Amazon bestseller. Let's clear indecision. Spin your hand, a pendulum, or a necklace to the left and just start talking about it. I let go of this indecision, and basically that's a fear of making a bad decision, because we've all done that in the past, right? Let go of this fear of making the wrong decision. I let go of all fears of not being safe, fears of failure to make a good decision, fears that if I make the right decision, something bad's going to happen afterwards anyway, as it has in the past, so I won't decide. And these are subconscious fears I choose to let go, and all conscious fears as well about decision making. And then spin your hand, pendulum, or necklace to the right. I now instill in me the confidence of being a wise decision maker. I didn't get this far in life being a dumbass, right? So I make wise decisions based on past wisdom. And as I've released this fear, I declare it and decree it and claim it to be mine, and so it is. You got this. Peace out. Namaste. Get 10 free chapters of my Fearless Accurate Dowsing book on my website, emorescue.com. There's also links to all my Amazon books and other interesting information. Thank you.